Hi all, I'm Mada Indran here. See you again for last video for computer ethics. I believe that all of you have gained knowledge on other two videos. On the last point, I would like to emphasize on intellectual property. Intellectual property, which means unique and original work such as idea, invention, arts, writing, process, product names, and logo. Next, intellectual property rights. The rights to creator are entitled for their unique or original work. Firstly, we need to understand importance of intellectual property. Therefore, intellectual property play a vital role to protect the original creation from individuals and to preserve features and process that make things work. For example, inventor will get a profit from their work. Basically, we can divide intellectual property into three types. First type, copyright, an exclusive right given to the creator for their literary and artistic work. Example for literary work. Example for artistic work. Second type is patent. A patent is an exclusive right granted for an invention, which a product or process that provides a new way of doing something. Example for patents. The last point for intellectual property is trademark. A trademark is a word, phrase, symbol, or design that differentiates the goods or service of one trader from its competitors. It includes words, logo, picture, name, letters, numbers, or a combination of these. Example of trademarks. I want you all answer a few questions about this topic that we have learned. We will discuss the answer in the next tutorial class. Alright, that's all from me. Take care and bye.